Redditors who work at factories, what's the scariest thing you've seen a machine do to a person? Saw a 590-degree iron heat press crunch someone's arm at 7 bar. About 100 pounds per square inch. The press had been acting up due to a wonky solenoid. While the operator was fixing a material rip due to the press, it grabbed him. And it didn't let go. Another operator heard the screaming and took a ball-peen hammer to the solenoid to release the pressure. Messed up day for all parties involved. My father and I worked in a box manufacturing factory. There is a machine called the shredder, which is an 8-foot wide rotating crusher style blade that pretty much just shreds effed up orders that we can't ship out. Another thing about the factory, it gets super hot in the building. Someone had been working by the shredder and passed out from the heat and had fallen into the shredder and ended up getting chewed up from the waist down. Dead before anyone even noticed he was missing.